Good afternoon, everybody. Just here at Stealth Motorsport, and yeah, I'm just here to do my headlights. They're a bit fogged up and a bit worn out. Actually old. I'll just show you guys now. This is basically how they look like. So this is gonna be a video of before and after. Both sides are actually pretty bad. Not one side looks better than the other. So yeah, they're gonna do that for me, and yeah, I hope it goes well. Actually, no, it will go well. So I hope you guys just enjoyed the video, and yeah, let's check. You can see these guys do actually a lot in here. It's more than just what I want to do. You can see the rims there as well, looking proper. Oh, and there's the main man himself, Mr. Marsa. How are you, man? And I'm blessed, man. So this is a client's car. They're gonna fully give this car a full wrap. I don't know what color yet. They can't reveal that to me. So hopefully next week or whenever they're done with the car, I can show you guys what color they went for. And actually can't wait for this one. It's gonna be nice. And then the big boy. This is Stealth Motorsport car. It's actually Maz's car. This is a stage 2, man. No, actually stage 3. Stage 3 on it. Just got new wheels on it there. It's a water meth, and this is proper. I think you guys have heard the sound of this car in the previous videos, and if you're in Bloemfontein, trust me, you have seen this car or heard it one way or another. And then we have this machine, and this is basically what they do, man. Like, as you guys can visit them with all the things: plug and play tuning, custom ECU tuning, stage 1 reverb, stage 2 everything, intercoolers, coil pack, literally everything that you guys need. It's right here in Bloemfontein. This is pretty nice, man. And then, guys, I have a big surprise for you. If you watched the previous video, you would know about this, baby. This is a machine right here. This is the newest addition to the family. Gang, back in the stool. Yeah. They are currently working on this machine. I think you're gonna put in another engine in it, and then just between me and you, it's boosted.
Oh man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
Trust me, so you don't want to go against this one in the road. This looks nice, man. As you can see on the east side, they're still working on the car and everything. Another client's car, and then you have this big machine here also. But I'm in love with this, man. This looks nice. So they just finished with this light like mentioned before, and you can clearly see the difference. It looks like a brand new light actually. But then this side is much more damage than that side, so I'm not expecting the same result. So as you guys could see, the headlight on the left hand side has been refurbished and it looks pretty amazing compared to the one on the right hand side, and that's a big difference, and that's just a matter of minutes. So this just shows what these guys can do for you, and this is just the headlights. They do so much more than just doing this, so make sure you do pay them a visit.
Keep that 30 on the seat and shoot like Curry with the left hand. Yeah, ballin' so damn hard, I made a Def Jam. Yeah, rollie all the mother right and left hand. Yeah.